carry the sound forward. It started in a battered place, a half-burned field, a tired breath, a song too stubborn to stay down. A spark still moving through the wreck. We did not have a polished hour. We had cracked lips and shaking hands. But something living crossed the line and would not let the anthem end. The smoke was thick behind our backs. The road ahead was still at war. But once your fire hits the people, silence does not fit them anymore. So we took the sound through ash and strain, through narrow paths, through wind and rain. We carried the sound forward, would not let the witness die, would not let the promise stall, would not let the fire hide. From the trench to the next horizon, from the wound to the open door, we carried the sound forward, and heaven kept giving Some tried to bury what we heard under distance, doubt, and years. Some tried to drown it in fatigue and call endurance just another form of tears. But the message kept its muscle, the praise kept finding lungs, and every place we thought was over became a place the kingdom touched. I saw the broken start to sing, I saw the frightened lift their heads, I saw one line of holy sound outrun 1,000 words of dread. So we moved it on, we passed it flame to flame, till even darkened ground